What is up, precious metal maniacs? Mississippi Metals here, and today I was going to do an unboxing video. I very seldom do an unboxing video on my channel, and that's probably because I'm just so impatient. You know, as soon as I see that box in my mailbox, I'm tearing it open to see what I got. But I was able to display a little bit of patience today. I got my package at lunchtime, was able to come put it in my studio here and not open it up till I got home and had a little time to film it. So here we go. I got a package from Bullion. That's right. And you know, I love how they disguise HB distribution, you know, to keep thieves away from recognizing that, hey, that's probably precious metals in that box. Let me steal it. I guess I gave away the secret now, though. All right, we're going to pop this bad boy open real quick, see what we got. I'll give you a hint. It's not silver, and it's not platinum. So it should be gold. Always a great day to get gold in, don't you agree? Alright, here we go. Get that out of the way. Oh, there we go. Get that out of the way. Come on. Alright, get my paperwork out of the way. Always like that they send me the card. Bullion, thank you. No, thank you. Alright, let's see what we got here. Get the paperwork out of the way. Oh yeah, we got some gold, baby. Alright, let's see what this one is. Check them out. A 1/10 kangaroo. This is going to be the 2023. Of course, we've got the queen. So 1/10 2023 kangaroo. Any of you guys gotten this one yet? Pretty cool. I have one other kangaroo. Let's see. Where is it at? There it is. So this one is, oh, I don't know. Let's see if I can see what year this one is. Hang on, sorry. Let me see. $2018. Man, it's small. I'm telling you, it's little bitty, the date. Anyway, so 2018, and then this one is a 2023 kangaroo, and of course in Perth mint style. It comes in a capsule already, so I don't have to go digging for one. So, all right, we got that bad boy. All right, let's see what we got here. Bear with me. Oh, man. All right. So this is going to be a 2023 Britannia, but it is going to be the Type 2 with the King. So this is my first bullion coin with the King on it. So King or Queen? I don't know. Doesn't really matter to me. It's gold, and it's going in the gold box, baby. Always a great day when you can get a little gold in the mail. So here is my entire gold collection right here. Give you a look at that. There we go. A lot of people ask me about this box. You know, the first person to turn me on to this box right here was HD Dyna Lowrider. I saw one in his video, asked him where he got it, and he said Amazon. So that's where I got this. If you're interested in this box, great way to keep your gold. The only downside to this, let me show you this. Now, I'm sure you can get different varieties, but it will not hold a 1 ounce. You know, top won't shut. So you can't put a 1 ounce in there. But it does have this handy dandy tray where I've got, you know, some platinum. I've got a couple gold backs and some other stuff in there. So I'm just putting my only 1 ouncer I have right there. And so making room for these guys here. I'll find a capsule, put that guy there, and that would get me to really close to having this guy pretty full. I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more spots to go. And of course, we would really like for those to be 1/4 ounces or 1/2 ounces, but you know, I seldom can afford to buy a 1 ounce. I really, you know, it's hard for me to buy a 1 ounce. See, you know, the reason that I stack is because it's hard for me to save money. So if I was to try to, you know, take my whatever $250 or let's say $500, I spend about $500 a month on gold, and try to save that for 4 months in a row, I wouldn't have it, guys. I'm telling you, no lie, it wouldn't be there. That's the reason I stack, is because I have a hard time saving money. So it is very rare for me to be able to afford to buy a 1 ounce or even a 1/2 ounce. Now, 1/4 ounces, man, I can, you know, I can handle doing a 1/4 ounce every now and then. You know, and then 1/10 ounce, yeah, man, I can pick one of those up at least once a month, if not, you know, 2 in a month. But you know, very rarely do I get to buy a 1 ounce, and I really wish I had a bunch more 1 ounces. I really do. Only time I get to get them is, you know, a rare instance where maybe I got a big bonus from work, or, you know, some other where I got a big lump sum of money and I could just go right to the coin shop, buy a 1 ounce and be done with it. But, you know, again, I don't feel bad about it at all. Man, I've got 1/2 ounces, 1/4 ounces, 1/10 ounces, and it all adds up. I mean, it adds up. I've got close to 7 ounces of gold here, which I don't feel bad about at all, that it's in tenths and quarters and halves. So I'm good with it. Hey, I appreciate you guys sticking around watching this. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, hit that thumbs up button. And real quick, just want to announce, y'all remember to check out Silver and Cigars. He's got a gall coming up. And don't forget about AG Stacker. He's got a couple more spots left in his giveaway. Y'all go hit them up, check them out. Don't forget, keep on stacking.